what was it about the T-Mobile tower, the old one, that made me request a new one? This is a viewer question from a video that I had where I was comparing the two towers. I was the two towers, like Lord of the Rings. That just occurred to me, and that was one's taller than the other. The taller one was the older one. I have a more compact one now that was given to me, and here's how. There was nothing really wrong with the old tower. I also do a speed test comparison. You can check that video out. Um, the Yeah, the old tower was fine, but what happened was I switched from Sprint to T-Mobile. Like I migrated, I guess you would say. I took the account that had normally been Sprint and I um, combined it with the T-Mobile account that I had for. So that I had Sprint. My phone was on Sprint, still on the old Sprint account that was run by T-Mobile when they merged. The tower was on T-Mobile account, right? Actually under my wife's name, and so we merged those two. We migrated the phone account to that. So when we did that, we also changed the plan. And when we changed the plan, they had an offer. So instead of me paying $50 a month for internet service, I was only going to pay $30 a month. But they had to issue it like it was a new addition to the plan. So what I did was I canceled the old line that was associated with the old tower and got a new line with the new tower. So it was this transition period, right? And so, yeah, so now I only pay $30 a month for the same service, which is slightly faster. So, I guess they updated the technology or new firmware or something like that. So that's the story. Sorry it took so long to tell. Anyway, I hope that answers your question. So if you still got the old tower, I guess you could call T-Mobile and request a new one. But, nothing was wrong with mine. So I hope you guys have a great day. Smash a like, that helps me. And if you want more T-Mobile videos, tell me in the comments section below because right now they're blowing up. So like a lot of people are interested in this service, I suppose. So have a great day. Smash a like helps me, and I'll see you on the next one. And subscribe if you want more, of course. You guys already know that. Take care.